everybody, Lindabradley from Princess House here. So I know you've been watching my videos to see all the different layaways that I've put aside for you, but I have a really good one tonight. I get excited when the company gives us new specials, and I always play with them and come up with some really fabulous ones, but I got a good one. Are you ready? So many of you have inquired about our high power blender, and these pieces are just amazing. So it is a big capacity. I think it's 86 ounces, nice and large. It has all the little bells and whistles that you need. It has a tamper, so if you need to mix things, you can actually take the top off and mix it down in between. When it does mix, it comes up from all four corners. It's just amazing. It has pre-programmed buttons, so you can use it for smoothings. That's what a lot of people make their smoothies. You can put your fruits in here whole, and it just does a perfect job. You can make dips. It has ones for dips and spreads. I've made homemade pesto, homemade hummus, awesome. And then there's one for soup, and that's the one that just amazes me because you can make hot soup in 7 minutes. So I've made broccoli soup, I made butternut squash soup, I made sweet potato soup. Like, I love this. And for those of you that do a lot of cooking with chilies or peppers, you can use it to make your sauces. It's a great piece to have, and it's super easy to clean as well. What I normally do is once I'm finished making whatever food prep I have, I just put a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent in it, fill it up with warm water, and just run it for a little bit. It cleans beautiful. So these high power blenders, they're quite pricey no matter where you buy them. And in the book, this is actually $549.95. But there's a special right now that I was able to finagle it around, okay? Because even with shipping and the tax, it would be well over $600. So right now, I can have a special for you that you can get this blender, everything, tax, shipping, everything involved, for just 10 payments of $37.50 each, all right? So for $375, shipping and tax included, you can get a blender shipped anywhere you want in the United States. If you want to put it on layaway, just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. We can do the 10 payments, or you can do 3 payments or 4 payments, like whatever works best for you. If you pay it in full, it ships right away. If you do layaway, it ships when it's paid. But I have a better and more special offer for you. Are you ready? So, chances are, if you've been dying for one of these high power blenders, then probably so are a couple of your friends. So here's what I want you to do. Go out and sell 2 of them to your friends at that $375 price. You can give them the 10, the 10 payment, $37.50, that's fine, all right? Sell 2 to your friends and 1 to yourself. So now there's a total of 3. So why is that so special? Because when I do that, how I finagle my numbers around, this is what I can get you. So remember, here's the deal. You sell 3 blenders, 1 to yourself and 2 to friends. Your friends can do the 10 payments of $37.50 each. They're gonna get the same blender, but this is what you're gonna get. You ready? So you're gonna get a blender of your own. You are going to get 2 sets of the Fantasia. So these are the Fantasia Fresh. You're gonna get 2 of the 2 cups and 2 of the 1 cup containers along with that. You ready? Because there's more. You're also going to get our gorgeous Marbella, right? Everybody loves these plates. So this is 4 place settings. You're gonna get 4 dinner plates, 4 cups and mugs, I should say, 4 bowls and 4 luncheon plates. So enough for 4 people. And you're also going to get the runner. This is a turquoise runner, and 4 linen napkins. All right, you still with me? The next thing you're going to get is a set of 12. 12 of our gorgeous margarita glasses. See that beautiful pattern? These are boxed in sets of 4. So you're gonna get 12 of them, 3 boxes. So you can keep 1 set for yourself and have 2 sets for gifts. Can you imagine giving that as a housewarming gift, a bridal shower, or a wedding gift? Like, phenomenal, all right? So you ready? You have the large blender for you. You're gonna get the Fantasia Fresh 2 and 2. You're gonna get 4 place settings of the Marbella Blue, 12 glasses of the margaritas, 2 utensils, all right? This is the pasta scoop, which I love this piece, all right? Love it, love it, love it. Pasta scoop. And then this is the ladle. And then here's the star of the show. You ready? You will also get this gorgeous 16 quart casserole. I have to tell you that when I unpacked this, I was like, this is gorgeous. So it's got the stainless steel, but it has the crystal lid in the middle. And of course it does have the pattern in it, right? The Princess Heritage pattern right in it. And then it has a little, here it is. It has this slow release steam. So again, a pot that's really wide like this, it's so nice for your larger meals, whether it's chili or soup. But the fact that it's wide, it's really easy, chicken and rice, to be able to stir it. And also like your crabs, right? You could do your seafood, crabs, lobster, anything like that. So here's how it goes. You can buy 1 blender, right? 10 payments of $37.50 each. But when you sell 2 blenders to your girlfriend, you will get a blender for yourself, Fantasia Fresh, 2 1-cup, 2 2-cups, 4 place settings of the Marbella, dinner plates, luncheon plates, soup bowls, mugs, the linens for the Marbella, which is the table runner, and 4 napkins, 12 of the margarita glasses, 2 of our utensils, and the 16 quart casserole. So instead of you making 10 payments of $37.50 each, your payments will just be $58.90 each. Are you kidding me? For 10 weeks, and you're gonna get all of this stuff. So all of this extra stuff was less than $200. I'm so excited. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. This is a limited offer. Sell 2 blenders to your friends, $375, tax shipping included, all right? 10 payments, $37.50 each, and you get all of this. And your payments are 10 payments of $58.90 each. All right? This is an awesome set. I know you're gonna love it, and you're gonna be cooking up some wonderful margaritas along with some great dishes. I can't wait to see what you get. All right, reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com, and I'll be able to get it all set up for you.